Amromda Ngasi ayuk pung 8 ki Jiribam Assembly Constituency ki Tongan-Tonganba polling station singda meeyamna ingna Chikna bot thadanaba houkhi. Jiribam district ta ayuk anganbadagi nong kana chukiba maramna voter sing bot thadaba thorakpagi chang khara nemki adumakpu nong hangkraba matungdi meeyam thoraktuna makhoi gi democratic rights sing mapum phana sijenaki. Housing Jiribam district ta pangthokliba mikhal asiga mari leinana district election officer Krishna Kumar na paumi singda hai. Ngasi ayuk district asida akan mumongna nong chukrabasu mikhal asi mai pak na pangthokpa ngamnanaba laukatpam thokpa thabak thoram sing mapum phan laukatke bot thadaba haudringai mamangda mock poll ningthi na pangthoklaba matung ayuki pung 8 ki polling station sing hangduna miyamgi voting right adum mapum phan asijenaba thorang paikhatke nong chubana maram oiraga ayukta voter matik chana thorakhidrabasu haujikti voter masing yamna thoraktuna polling station sing de queue sangna lepnaba yaure ayuki pung mapan fawda bot thadabigi chang asi chada mapan oiramba adu ayuki pung tara mathoi ki chada kul humdo yoki barak circle gi oina su miyam thoraktuna bot thadaba sida chawna saruk yari loina na joint control room ani hangduna mikhal ga mari leinaba information sing miyam da fangana na bohonari haina mahak na makhataki nomidung matung pung ama fawda Jiribam AC gi oina chada kuntra tarit ki chang da bot thadana kre haina su pawasina makhatari
To joint control room, we are also getting information related to the poll percentage and all the proceedings related to poll which is going on. So since morning, though it was a heavy rain, but despite of all the challenges, our poll parties, they are conducting this election very well. And I have a great appreciation to all my polling personnel. Early morning, they completed mock poll, and from 7 a.m. onwards, they have started actual poll. So far we have received for all the polling stations, including 40 plus one special polling station. Everywhere polling is going on smoothly and peacefully, and till 9 a.m. voting turnout was almost 9%. But it was just because of heavy rain, but now it will be expedited. So by 11 we may expect increase in voter turnout, and in some polling station near to this Borobekra subdivision site, we have observed good number of turnout. People are in the queue. There is a huge queue have been observed. So we are expecting smooth and peaceful conduct of poll. But there is no any issue wherever it was there. So our ECL engineer and other traders, they have been reached, and it was resolved.